Happy learning, kids!
Square and circle, here we go. Square and circle, nice and slow. Square sides for the same. Circles round, no sides to name. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning shapes is super neat. Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. 3 straight sides for you to see. Triangle, triangle, point up high, like a mountain in the sky. Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning shapes is super neat. Rectangle and star so bright. Rectangle is long and right. Rectangle and star again. Shining star, count to 10. And a heart so true. A heart for me, a heart for you. Big heart, small heart, red and smart. Let's all sing with a happy heart. Nay, shapes are fun, yes it's true. Square, circle, star for you. Sing again, don't be late. Shapes, shapes, aren't they great? Shapes, shapes everywhere. Look around, they're here and there. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning shapes is super neat.
Happy learning, kids! Subscribe!